cheese, cheese, cheese. Window, window, window. Peace, peace, peace. Intent, intent, intent. Enjoying, enjoying, enjoying. Priest, priest, priest. Mosel, mosel, mosel. Thoughts, thoughts. Passage, passage, passage. Answer, answer, answer. Question, question, question. Which, which. Follow, follow, follow. Later, later, later. Happened, happened, happened. Snatched, snatched, snatched. Mistress, mistress, mistress. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Bright, bright, bright. Graceful, graceful, graceful. Breasts, breasts, breasts. Ego, ego, ego. Pardon, pardon, pardon. Talons, talons, talons. Hi, welcome to yet another video. Today is actually the 30th day of our 31 days journey. If you know you have benefited from this journey, yes, if you know you have benefited, I want to see your comment in the comment section. I want to see how much this has impacted you in these 31 days in the comment section. I actually want to see that, okay? So don't forget, if you're seeing me for the first time, you're so welcome to the family. This is what we do right here. We learn how to read, write, speak, and write. So you can actually join this family simply by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button. In that way, you got to get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by today. Welcome to yet another lesson. So without wasting much of our time, let's go right into today's lesson. Match, match, match. Beasts, beasts, beasts. Should, should, should. Perfection, perfection, perfection. Voice, voice, voice. Flattery, flattery, flattery. Please, please, please. Chuckling, chuckling, chuckling. Herself, herself, herself. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Mouth, mouth, mouth. About, about, about. brains, brains, brains. Think, think, think. Nothing, nothing, nothing. So these are the 4-letter words we're likely going to see on today's comprehension. So let's read them together. Neck, claw, dump, miss, only, came, 3, said, your, wink, eyes, into, high, fox, break, like, self, crow, good, open, ship, flew, with, what, pity, search, bed, then, that. Again, neck, claw, dump, miss, only, came, 3, said, your, wings, eyes, into, high, fox, big, like, self, crow, good, open, shop, flew, with, what, pity, search, bed, then, that. Have, open, down, drop, once, snap, said, her, she. Have, open, down, drop, once, snap, said, her, she. So putting all together, we have this comprehension. So let's read together. It happened one day that a crow snatched a goodly piece of cheese out of an open shop window and flew off with it into a high tree, intent on enjoying the prize. Again, it happened one day that a crow snatched a goodly piece of cheese out of an open shop window and flew off with it into a high tree, intent on enjoying the prize. A fox spied the dainty morsel the crows begged and thought he would like it for himself. So he came up to the tree and said, again, a fox spied the dainty morsel the crow's beak and thought he would like it for himself. So he came up to the tree and said, "O Mistress Crow, how beautiful are your wings, how bright your eyes, how graceful your neck. Your breast is the breast of an eagle. Your crows, I beg your pardon." Again, "O Mistress Crow, how beautiful are your wings, how bright your eyes, how graceful your neck. Your breast is the breast of an eagle. Your claws, I beg your pardon. Your talons are a match for all the beasts of the field. What a pity it is that such a bird should be dumb and miss perfection only in not having a voice. Again, your talons are a match for all the beasts of the field. What a pity it is that such a bird should be dumb and miss perfection only in not having a voice. The crow, pleased with all this flattery and chuckling to herself to think how she would surprise the fox with her call, opened her mouth down, dropped the cheese, and the fox at once snapped it up. As he walked away, he was heard to observe that whatever he had said about the crow's beauty, he said nothing about her brains. Again, as he walked away, he was heard to observe that whatever he had said about the crow's beauty, he said nothing about her brains. Alright, so this is going to call it short for today's video, and I sure hope you did get one or two from today's lesson. Okay, keep staying safe and bye for now.